Hi, I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer. The question I got this morning is, how do I show workshop participation on my LinkedIn profile? So rather than give an answer, I thought I'd do a quick little video. So I'm looking at my LinkedIn profile, and if you scroll down, then you'll see that I have a section down here called License and Certifications, and then further down, you'll see under accomplishments, I have courses. Now you can get to these if you don't have them on your LinkedIn profile yet. You can get to them right here, add a profile section. And under here, I can see here's license and certifications under background and go to accomplishments, and right here's courses. Now what I recommend you do is to consider which of these courses or license and certifications will be best for you to show your workshop participation. But there's one really important caveat. Do not show any workshop participations or certifications or licenses that are not highly relevant to who you are and what you do today and relevant to your target audience, your most important viewer, whether that's an employer, a client, a prospect, or a hiring manager. Whatever your goal is, make sure that whatever workshop participation you show on your LinkedIn profile is highly relevant to your goal of why you're using LinkedIn. Otherwise, you will distract your most important viewer from stuff that's important. So it's really pretty easy though. You hit this plus, and you can type in the name of the certification. If there's a company or an organization that gave it to you, you have to type a name in there. And then the rest of this is wide open. You don't have to put anything else in there. If you do have a credential, if the credential's online, you can show that. You could put the date. And if it doesn't expire, you can uncheck this. If it does expire, put the expiration dates. So license and certifications is pretty easy. Add it and then hit save. Now, if you want to use a course, then again, if I have it already there, I can just click on the plus right here and add a new course. If I have no accomplishments in my profile yet, then I have to do this, add profile section, click on accomplishments, and then I can click the plus for courses. They both go to the same place. And here's the way you do this. Just give it a course name. There's no other information required, just the name of the course. You can put a number if you have it associated with a particular role that you have, if it's a current role or a previous role, and you can fill that out and then simply hit save. The only other option that I would suggest that you consider is maybe put it under publications. And here's why. When I hit the add a new one for publication, I get the name, I get who it came from, and the date. And then if it's online, it's such as you had your certificate online, you can put it there. But the only reason why I'm telling you to use this alternative option is because I had the ability to type text in a description box. So I could write text in here that says, the certification I got for this workshop afforded me these skills, these new talents, these new ideas, these new perspectives relevant to what I do today. It's a little bit of a deviation from the use of publications, but it's the only way that you can really tell a little bit of a story about how that workshop participation helped you to grow and become better at who you are and what you do today. Add it in there and then simply hit save. Those are 3 suggestions I recommend. Start with license and certifications as a certification for the workshop participation. Consider courses as the second alternative. And the third, a little bit different idea, is to put it under a publication where you can tell a story about how that workshop participation helped you become better at who you are and what you do, focused on your most important viewer. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer, and I hope this is helpful.